Hello, Tesfai here from the Tutorial Academy. How are you guys? This is English Oromo video series that we are learning how to communicate in Afan Oromo. So the video series is completely based on communicating in Afan Oromo, in how to communicate in Afan Oromo. So we pick phrases that are typically come up in communication, such as greetings, introducing oneself, asking time, and so on. In today's video, though, I'm gonna introduce how we call body parts in Afan Oromo. That's also very important in communication. So today this video fully deals with the list of human body parts and their Oromo names. So let's go. Body parts, we call body parts in Afan Oromo is Qama Dagna. So we start from top. Head, hair. So that is the hair on the head. So Rifensa mata. Rifensa mata. Mata means head. Rifensa mata. Rifensa mata. Mata, as I said, it is head. Head, the whole head. Okay. Bald is called molu. Molu. Forehead alone is called adda. 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 Eye, ija. 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 Ear, gurra. 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 Mouth, Afan. So Afan Oromo means Oromo language as well. So it comes from the idea of mother tongue. Afan is mouth. Afan Oromo, when we say Afan Oromo, it means also Oromo language. Nose, Funyan. Funyan. Cheek, Maddi. Maddi. Eyebrow, Nyara. Nyara. Morma, sorry, it is reflected. Neck is Morma. Morma. Back is Dugda. 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 So mouth, I already said, is Afan and also is Afan Oromo as well as language. Tongue is Araba. 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 Chest is called Lape. Lape. So PH is just like in English Petros and so on. So Lape. Lape. Belly is called Gara. 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 Leg is called Milla. 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 Hand is called Harka. Harka, sometimes called Arka as well, without H. But normally it is Harka. 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 Finger is Quba. Quba. I am not sure if you can pronounce the first sound. Ka, Kuba. It is not Kuba. It is not K, but this is Ku. You have to practice Kuba. The same here up here. Kama, Kama, Kuba. That's finger. Nail. Another K sound is here. Kensa. It is not Kensa again. It is Kensa. 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 So there are lots of internal bodies which I didn't read for now. For this tutorial, I think these are enough. I don't want to overload you. So practice those. They're very important in communications. There are also body parts that I ignored, like chin, like eyelash. So maybe once you learn those, you can communicate, you can learn others as well. But these are the most important parts. So repeat them one by one and try to learn by repeating them, by saying them, by also trying to remember, associate them. But especially association learning is very important. So learn with the word, associate them with the words you know, or events you know, or any other thing that comes to your mind to associate. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye bye.